Okay. I use some plastic from an old tablet casing. I made these little bits. These just need roughening up now with a bit of wet and dry, and then I can super glue them onto this broken part. I'm going to use Gorilla super glue gel. This contains some rubber particles to help with impact and stuff, I think, so it's not too brittle but very, very strong. Just going to glue this in first, make sure it's strong enough to accept the other bits of plastic I've made to go around it. So I decided to just add loads of bits of plastic behind here just to reinforce this area. Kind of went to town on it, but there you are. Just added a bit extra on the right. It's been about an hour now, so I'll reassemble it all together now. Just putting this back together now. I have tested it. There's a screw right behind here. And it hooks in at the bottom there. So just to do a quick demo. And it opens. Just a couple of things to note. At the very bottom of the microwave, these two screws are security screws. They have a little bit sticking in the middle. So that one on the right and the bottom left, just these two. And then this screw here is longer than all the others. It goes on this side. And it's all assembled now, just a quick final test. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them below in the comments and I'll try and answer them. Bye.